Ate Sally, nagamit ko na yung RRSP ko dati sa first home ko. Pwede ko pa ba siyang gamitin ulit para bumili ng bahay? The short answer is yes, pwede ulit. Pero may dalawang malaking kondisyon. Una, dapat fully repaid na yung previous home buyer's plan withdrawal mo. Kasi under CRA rules, bago ka makagamit ng bagong home buyer's plan, kailangan zero balance na yung dati mong home buyer's plan loan. Pangalawa, kailangan mo ulit mag-qualify as a first-time home buyer. Ang ibig sabihin nito, you don't own or live in your principal residence within the last 4 years. So, kung nag-rent ka ulit o wala kang tinirhang bahay for at least 4 years, pasok ka na naman sa requirement. Ngayon, kung ang plano mo ay gamitin ang RRSP pero hindi na under home buyer's plan, pwede pa rin. Pero ang downside nito, treated siya as regular RRSP withdrawal. Ibig sabihin, may withholding tax agad. Taxable pa sa income mo for that year at mawawala yung tax-sheltered growth ng RRSP mo. So in short, yes, pwede mong gamitin ulit ang RRSP mo for a home purchase. Option 1, gamitin ulit under home buyer's plan kung cleared ka na at pasok ka ulit as a first-time home buyer. Option 2, gamitin mo as regular withdrawal pero may tax consequences. Ikaw na lang mamimili kung alin ang mas bagay sa situation mo.